friends, I am Gourilakshmi Brajesh from BalikamatomHSS Secondary School study in 6th standard. Today I am going to introduce Physiology of flowers. A detailed study of flowers is presented here. All of my friends enjoy my flower book. Flower Physiology. Flowers. Flowers are always a wonderful sight to us. We see varieties of flowers every day. Different types of flowers are seen in our nature. They differ from color, size, shape, number of petals, etc. The largest flower is Rafflesia. Parts of a flower: pedicel, calyx, thalamus, corolla, gynoecium, and rhizome. Functions of different parts of a flower. Pedicel. Pedicel connects the flower with the plant. Thalamus. Thalamus holds different parts of the flower. Calyx. Calyx protects the flower when it is a bud. Calyx holds petals after it blooms. Corolla. Corolla provides color, fragrance, and attractiveness to the flower. Gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female reproductive part of the flower. Gynoecium is formed of ovary, stigma, and style. Androecium. Androecium is male reproductive part of the flower. Androecium is formed of anther and filament. Androecium and gynoecium. Gynoecium. Gynoecium consists of style, stigma, and ovary. Egg is seen in the ovule inside ovary. Stigma, style, ovary. Androecium. Androecium consists of anther and filament. Male gamete is seen in the pollen grains found in the anther of the androecium. Anther, filament. Male flowers and female flowers. Flowers that have only androecium are male flowers and those with only gynoecium are female flowers. Pumpkin, cucumber, bittergourd, snakegourd, ashgourd, coconut, and areca nut trees have both male and female flowers. Bisexual and unisexual flowers. Bisexual flowers. Flowers having both androecium and gynoecium are called bisexual flowers. Example: shoe flower, hibiscus, ixora, oleander, lady's finger, brinjal, tea, tomato, rose, chili are bisexual flowers. Unisexual flowers. Androecium and gynoecium is seen in separate flowers are called unisexual flowers. Example: pumpkin, cucumber, bittergourd, snakegourd, ashgourd, coconut, jackfruit tree, areca nut, papaya are unisexual flowers. Pumpkin flower, female, male. Bisexual and unisexual plants. Bisexual plants. Plants having both male flowers and female flowers are bisexual plants. Fruits can be formed only from female flowers. Example: cucumber, ashgourd, bittergourd, snakegourd, pumpkin, etc. are bisexual plants. Unisexual plants. Plants having either male or female flowers are unisexual plants. Example: nutmeg, fan palm, gambush, date palm. These are male and female plants among fan palm, gambush, nutmeg, etc. The male plant has only male flowers and the female plant has only female flowers. Fertilization. The male gamete from the pollen grain should reach the ovary and fuse with the egg. Fusion of male gamete with the egg is called fertilization. Fruit is formed in plants after fertilization. Fertilization takes place in the ovary. First, the pollen grains from the anther should reach the stigma for fertilization. From there, the male gamete should reach the ovary. From the above picture, we can understand the pathway of the pollen grain and male gamete. Stigma, pollen grain, anther, filament, ovary. Pollination and pollinating agents. Pollination. Transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma is called pollination. Factors that help pollination are called pollinating agents. Pollinating agents. Factors that help pollination are called pollinating agents. Honeybees, butterflies, small insects, ants, squirrels, moths, birds, wind, water, etc. are some pollinating agents. Plants like paddy, coconut, wheat, maize, and sugarcane pollination occurs through the wind. Plants like pepper, vallisneria, hydrilla pollination occurs through the water or dewdrops. Plants like elephant, yam, and taro pollination is done by flies. Self-pollination. Self-pollination is of two types. That is, self-pollination is the pollination of a flower by pollen from the same flower or from another flower on the same plant. Cross-pollination. Cross-pollination is the pollination between flowers of two different plants of the same species. Nature favors cross-pollination. Artificial pollination. Pollen grains from the superior quality plants are collected and dusted on the stigma of other plants to produce high quality seeds. This is artificial pollination. A variety of honeybee called Melipona pollinates the vanilla that grows in Mexican forests. We had to adopt artificial pollination to cultivate vanilla in our country as there were no Melipona bees. Peculiarities seen in flowers to attracting pollinating agents. Colorful flowers, presence of honey, nectar. Small flowers can be seen in bunches or inflorescence. Flowers that bloom at night are white in color and fragrant too. Flowers have fragrance, smell. Some flowers have foul smell. The leaves surrounding flowers changing color and appearing like flower. These are the peculiarities seen in flowers to attracting pollinating agents. Withering petals. After pollination, the male gamete reaches the ovary and fuses with the egg to form fruit. During this stage, we can see the withering of petals, androecium and also the sepals, pedicel and thalamus remain in the flower. So friends, I hope you all understand the important information about flower. Thank you.